my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. German cuisine was probably one of my least favorite until I met my husband. David introduced me to a wide selection of foods like beef rouladen, Stollen, Hasenpfeffer, Knödel, Spätzle, and many others. From his family recipes, I had to add a little twist to each, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Zwiebel Rostbraten. Although I really like schnitzel, this is probably my favorite German dish. With iron steaks, a flavorful thick gravy topped with some crispy fried onion strings, with a side of Spätzle. This is such a delicious meal. So my friends, let's get cooking.
After patting them dry, we'll go ahead and generously season the iron steaks on both sides with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, in a large saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll add a couple tablespoons of clarified butter, and when it gets hot, we'll add our steaks along with a large sprig of rosemary. We'll cook them for 2.5 to 3 minutes or until nicely browned before flipping them. We'll cook this side for 2 minutes. We'll remove from the heat, transfer the meat onto a cutting board, and cover loosely with foil by forming a tent to keep them warm while we make the gravy. Back to the stove. We'll discard the sprig, we don't need it anymore, and reduce the heat to medium. We'll pour in some beef broth and dry red wine. We'll add some tomato paste. Hey guys, check out this great tip to salvage your leftover tomato paste by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. It's a good one. Then hot German mustard, such as Löwensenf. Here's the brand I use, and it can be found in most European specialty stores. We'll also add brown sugar, a couple teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. It's not traditional, but certainly a good addition. And finally, season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Not a lot though. We'll stir while scraping the bottom of the pan to dislodge any brown bits. We'll bring the mixture to a boil and also give a quick whisk. Mustard can be hard to dissolve and blend, so this will help to break it down. We'll cook until the liquid has reduced by 1/3, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. When we're halfway there, we'll add heavy cream, whisk again until well incorporated, and continue cooking. When it's done, we'll add our cornstarch mixture and stir until the gravy thickens, about 45 seconds. It's that fast. Then we'll remove the saucepan from the heat and add butter. We'll gently swirl it around until melted. This will give a beautiful shine to our gravy. Now, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. We'll spoon the gravy over the meat, top with some crispy fried onion strings, and serve with Spätzle. Yum! And my friends, this is our Zwiebel Rostbraten. This flavorful German recipe is just incredible. With a few added ingredients, my elevated version is absolutely delicious. If you never had it before, you have to put this on your list. Trust me, it's that good. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!